It's the time of the year where the big game invites you to eat chicken wings. This is my effortless, always good recipe. No dry wings, excellent dipping sauce, and all of this comes together in the time it takes to cook the wings. So stick around and I'll show you how. Of course, we're starting with chicken wings, and while most people just pop them in the oven or start frying them off, we want to do this with a little bit less effort, and we still want a nice moist chicken wing. How are we going to achieve that? Simple, we steam them. All I do is just dump my wings into that steamer, spread them out, and then I've prepared some boiling water in the pot behind me. I'll put these into the steam and they go for 15-20 minutes in there until they're fully cooked. In the meantime, we're going to throw together a blue cheese dip from a few very simple ingredients. And if you're already excited, how about you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss an episode? I'm using a mixture of sour cream and yogurt. There's a lot of recipes with mayo in it. I'm not a big fan of that because that's extra calories you really don't need. In goes crumbled up blue cheese, my mixture of yogurt and sour cream. This is a fairly firm mixture. You can always water it down with a little bit of milk or half and half if the consistency is too firm. Half a lemon, grind in some pepper. I like to add a spritz of hot sauce. And then of course, we need a good pinch of salt here. Maybe like so. Now we're just blending this together. Don't make a mess. This is a fairly firm mix. It barely drips off. So we need to make this a little bit thinner. I'm using half and half. Just a nice dash. Let's check for seasoning. I'll add a tad bit more salt. Other than that, it's perfect. And that's how quickly you can make a blue cheese dip. If you are having friends over for the big game, you'll have to make a much larger portion. While the wings are cooking, I'll stick this into the fridge. My wings have been steaming for like 15 minutes, and it's now time to put them on a baking sheet. Of course, if you're using an air fryer, just put them in your air fryer pan. Technically, an air fryer is a convection oven, and that's exactly what I have. So I'm just gonna pop these into my convection oven at like 420 degrees for maybe 10 minutes or until crisp and nicely brown. Now look at those. You cannot have chicken wings without a coating. Melt some butter in a pot and then add hot sauce of your choice. And you just combine this. Toss to coat. And there you have hot wings that will not disappoint.